This is the DEKO 8V cordless drill. I had a whole drill that in the move we lost the charger and the drill bits for it, and I was so disappointed because I didn't have that very long, and I went to buy replacement drill bit and charger for it, and it came up to be as much as this whole kit. So I got this kit instead. So this is a level that comes with it. This is the pink, very pink DEKO, drill. I have not charged it since I got it. It came with these drill bits. Came with these. And this is Chuck. It also came with these with the little plastic grippers, and it also came with the charger. You just need a charger block in order to use it, and I bought all that with these drywall screws. So I've been repairing things around the house that I didn't even know needed repairing. Could find something all the time to repair, but this is the best most powerful little drill that I've ever had. I mean, it's better than my other brand that I purchased previously. So it's the DEKO. It's about, I think it was about $30. And yeah, I have not had to charge it since, and I repaired quite a few things. I didn't charge it at all. It came charged, and I haven't needed to recharge it yet. So I love it. I think you will too.
Alright, I tried to record 4, but I guess too long. I'm going to try this a lot faster. So, to start this off, it was completely disorganized. It looked like it was thrown against the wall. I do like these latches, kinda. They feel kind of cheap, but I do like the design of them. I start this off by originally bought this to build a machining kit. Just a cheap drill. I don't care if it gets too damaged. I did buy it thinking it would fit in here. I did measure and it was perfect dimensions, but I did, on my part, I forgot this latch in here, so it will not fit. That's my fault. As I said in the previous pictures, it came disorganized and destroyed. There's one thing that broke, so this is going to be rattling in there now. I would not recommend pulling it from here because you can break it. I can just feel that coming. And it does not go down all the way, which I don't like. It doesn't fully go down. Also, this lid comes off easily. The sticker came off. I just put it back on. It has cheap adhesive, and I'm not expecting it to last too long. I do like the weight of this drill. There's one thing I don't like that really annoys me, but it's a personal thing. This depresses into the drill. It doesn't stick out, which I don't like. On all my drills, like my Milwaukee's, it sticks out slightly. Black & Decker sticks out slightly. Even this really cheap one that they don't even sell anymore sticks out slightly. I guess it's personal, but also there's stuff rattling in there brand new. So don't have too high hopes, but it just has to last for like deburring and just unscrewing stuff, but it's not going to go through a lot of heavy labor. I'll give an update in a year or two.
So just right there while I talk and stuff. So basically, okay, so this is how it came. As you can see, it came with battery. And this little button right here, this is what actually controls the forward and the reverse. The middle, it locks it. So And then this little thing, a lot of people complain that I guess it doesn't have it. It does have it. As you can see, there's 2 dividers. So what you do is you lock it, put it in the middle, and then you hold on to the bottom part and you move this. On here, it'll tell you release, grip, and that's actually what will hold that. And it did come with all this stuff.
I don't know what's going on with you right now, but I can't see the person that you always come to when you have.
Alright, so for all my girlies like me who bought this and thought there was a piece missing, there's not a piece missing. It's called a keyless chuck. It's inside. You have to keep turning it. I made this mistake too. I ended up going to, other way. I ended up going to a home improvement store and bought another drill, and I thought a piece was missing there too, till I figured out it was the same kind of keyless chuck where you keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, this thing pops out. That's your keyless chuck. When you keep turning, you can fit the small little drill bit things in there, get it nice and tight, and then voila. No need to return it. There, it's right in there. You guys got this. It's a great little tool once we figure that out.
So as with a lot of the reviews that you saw, it is missing a piece. I thought maybe people didn't understand, maybe you got it twisted, if little arms come out, but no, it's just missing, there's nothing you can do. Here's the pieces that come inside. None of them are a little heart that goes in there. So I am returning it. Gonna get the exact same one because people do report that when their drills come complete, they're pretty nice. And for 30 bucks, I like it. Well, about to try again and see if a whole new complete one comes.
Mamma.
Sitter just fell through. I'm really sorry.
Really? No, thank you. Last time I went to the theater, a man dressed as a cat sat on my lap. It would mean so much to me if you came to my show tonight. I can't, Andy. It's too hard.
Buscarlo y sí.
Un solo uso y no carga, no coge nada de carga. Lo utilicé la carga que tenía y tal y no, pues no da más.
used.
This is how it came. Oops.
Definitely